Good afternoon, guys. Simon here at Wookey Sands in Brean. Next one to show you is this van here. It's on plot F24. It is a Willoughby Brookwood, 38 by 12 feet wide. It'll come with the decking. Nice, generous sized plot, fenced. If you've got pets, this is a cracker. Right behind here is the fishing pond, and about 5-minute walk to those trees there, you're in the countryside. So let's get inside and have a look, shall we? So site fees will be included with this van for 2025. There we are, it's a Brookwood. 2 bedrooms, great condition, straight into the open plan kitchen diner. There we go. Dining area, central heating, double glazing. Space there for a big TV if you want it. Loads of space looking back through the van. Loads of space. So as I said, the decking is included. What time is it now? It is 3:45. That's where the sun sets. Nice place on the park to be. Great neighbours, nice and quiet. Let's get you in through the van. So 2 bedrooms in this one. We'll look into the first one. There we are. It's a twin. You can make that a double if you wish. Just a blank canvas for you to make as your own. Bathroom. Great condition. 2021. On the market, 44,995. So you'll get access to all the facilities here for you and 11 other pass holders. There's the master. Loads of storage, loads of space. Double aspect wardrobes. And everyone wants an ensuite in the master bedroom. There it is. So you'll get access to the pool complex. You'll be a membership to the gym, steam rooms, sauna. We've got the fun fair on site, 18-hole golf course. Nice little breakfast bar there. Finance is available on this if you need it. Our site opens on February the 14th, so we are open now and kicking up to gear towards Easter. Like I said, everything that you would possibly need. The beach is about sort of probably 10-minute walk at the most. 7 miles of sand. Glorious place to be. Loads to do or not. If you want to just unplug and relax, it's all here. Give me a call, 07973 620 351. Send me a message. Book an appointment to come down and view the park and the facilities. So we've got this van and others are available. It's a beauty. And a really generous plot as well. Sitting out here in the summer with a cold drink, maybe a barbecue. Lovely place to be. 07973 620 351 for the 2021 Willoughby Brookwood. Decking included. 07973 620 351. Thanks, guys.